Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wal aqibatu lil muttaqeen wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyil kareem wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inna a'tainakal kauther fasalli li rabbika wanhar inna shaniyaka huwal abtar. Sadaqallahul azim. Honorable President, respected teachers and dear friends, today I want to speak before you on explanation of Surah Al-Kauther. Allah the greatest of all says in the Surah, O Prophet Salli, we have given to you Al-Kauther. So offer salah to your Lord and sacrifice. Sadly it is your enemy whose traces are cut off. Brothers and sisters, Al-Kauther means abundance of good things. Al-Kauther also means in never in paradise. Both meaning are possible here. The Muslims are the followers of Allah. The Muslims are the followers of the Prophet Muhammad. If the Muslims are true followers of Allah, Allah will reward the paradise. The Prophet Muhammad will make him drink from Al-Kauther river. The Muslims are the faithful followers and sacrifice in the path of Allah. Allah will honorable and great in this world and in the world to come also. Friends, thusly the enemies will be defamed, traces are cut off. May Allah make us true Muslims. Ameen. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.